Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for the flight schedules using your flight number in the Alaska Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Flight Schedules button. And at the top of the page, if it is set to flight number, it is good. And then you have to provide your flight number. And you have to set the date as well. So if it's yesterday, today, or tomorrow, these are the options. And if you click on the search bar, the schedule will be there. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.